guys, today we are here for some fidgets and squishies. So come along. I've got a fan with me. You made it. Okay, now follow me. It's right there. Disney. Do you have any fidgets?
Any?
Fidgets.
We've only got these. We've got the tulips.
Sit down.
What do you think?
Legit. There are different kinds too. There are fidget footballs, squish, and spin. Got my nails done. I absolutely love them. Then there's expandable. But I do like the selection from there.
Okay.
Oh, what's that thing here?
This.
Oh, what's that one there?
That's not really.
You don't need that one because you got the other one.
Look at this. What's this? Look at that. Look at
Let's go.
all of these.
This showing the cute.
Bad fun.
Put it in.
These.
We'll change it.
Yeah.
You like blue, don't you? Are you happy with this one, Liz?
I got one.
Thank you.
These come in as well.
Are you happy with it? Do you want to pick this
I'll
one?
get one. I'll get one.
Thank you.
Are we going?
possible code. This one?
Okay.
This one. This one? Thank you. I'm gonna take Elmer. I remember one. That's cool. Look at that.
Like and follow for more.
Good. Let's go and pay. Joining here. Oh my gosh. That's 11. Can I get the mini fan? Can I?
Okay.
Approved.
You can use this bag.
And that is all for today. Yay.
You better be smiling. I don't want you spoiling.
I'm itching my head.
Huh?
I was itching my head. There's
What makes it 100% definite?
because it's matching the fit I'm wearing with my nails. A little bit of my nails.
See the nails?